Guys, I hope you can see my screen now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So, uh, guys, I believe you guys have passion for this, and you guys want to change your career. You guys want to change a lot of things about you. That is why you guys are here. Please, please mute your mic. So, I believe you guys have a purpose. That is why you are here. You want to really learn how this thing work in order to make yourself something, in order to make yourself income. So I'll assure you guys, if you guys can go more deep, don't just rely on my teaching, go extra mile, search for this knowledge. Guys, I promise you it will pay dividends. I promise you it will pay dividends. If you remember lightning, I was telling you this is a high income skill whereby bankers can employ you in order to trade their money for you. Traders, clients, individuals can employ in order to trade their money for them, because they are having this money which they are not using, which is just sitting down there, which is not generating any income for them. So they want to like, okay, how can I, this money that I'm having now, how can I double it, how can I generate something from it instead of just sitting there. So they want to look for traders. Definitely, if you are having this skill and you can prove that yes, you can trade and you know what you are doing, people will look for you. You understand? Please, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. We can hear you. You said that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes, I can.
So yeah, so people will look for you. So lightning, this is not just the meeting. I'll still continue something for with you because it's been long I had a meeting with you. So after this, I'll still continue something with you privately. So let me just quickly go to the chat and recap what I was teaching Kelvin. Uh, just little recap what I was teaching Kelvin earlier on. So this trading of a thing, guys, know that is not a get rich quick scheme. Is not a get rich quick scheme. It's a high income skill, but it's not a get rich quick scheme. You must keep greed aside. You must keep greed aside, and you must be patient. You must be disciplined. You must apply all this. You must apply all this. This is necessary. This is necessary. You cannot do without this in trading. You understand? You must be disciplined. You must be patient. You must not be greedy. So let me just quickly dive into the charts. Sorry, I'm using my phone. I'll be using my phone for this meeting. Let me put it on auto replay. I'm not even having chat. So this is trading view. This trading view is what we use in analyzing the market. It's what we use in analyzing the market in order for it to give us insight. Okay, you guys now are training yourself to become traders. This is what you use to analyze the market in order for it to give you insight. And whenever you come to the chart, whenever you open your trading view and you want to analyze the market, what are you going to do first? You first look at the dollar, because the dollar has a high rate. Whatever thing the dollar does, that is what other currency will do in opposite. That is Forex. If the dollar is going up, Euro, USD, guys, you need to know what is currency pair. Currency pair. Okay, currency pair is just like a language. Kevin, you know all these things. Okay, let me just quickly analyze the market. Then I think on the private lesson with Lightning, I'm going to take him all through all these things because I don't want to confuse him right now because he hasn't reached this stage yet. But Kevin, you know all these things already. I've taught you. So let me just analyze the market for you to see zones, for me to teach you zones, what you are to expect, what you are to see in the market before you take any trade. So this is US dollar now. So it's loading. This is a what I'll be teaching you guys here is a very secretive something, but let me just share. So when the market opened today, I was watching it. I was watching the market. Can you guys see my screen, please?
Yes, sir. We can see everything.
I can hear you. I can see it.
Aha. When the market opens today, this line here, this blue line you are seeing, ba? Let me show you. This blue line. I'm coming in a minute. Sorry. I want to get it clear because I want to show you whenever you see this line, that is when the market opens. You see this blue line, this this blue line that I just marked, this blue line. Can you guys see it?
Yeah, we are observing everything.
Let me do it again so you get it clear. This blue line you can see that is having two arrow on it. You guys can see clear, right?
Yes, we can see.
Is when the
Yes, I can
market
see it.
is when the market opens. So immediately the market opens, I experience this is you see this gap here is what we call imbalanced price range. Immediately I saw this, then the market rallies up. The market rallies up immediately. It rallies up immediately. Then me that I'm a professional trader, what am I going to expect? Because I already know something like this. First of all, when I saw that move up, what I did, you see this line that I just analyzed. Sorry, this line that I just framed, this blue line that I just framed, price must
The
like
screen is not showing.
price. Yes, price must come to that line.
Hello.
When I frame this line, price hasn't come to it yet. Oh. It was in the morning. Price must come to it. So you can see how price react to it now. You guys can see, right?
The screen is not showing. The screen is not showing.
The screen is not showing.
No.
Lightning, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir. As for me, I can see everything clear.
Kevin,
I
I
cannot see
guess
the
it's your
screen.
network. Kevin, can you see my screen now?
Huh?
Can you see my screen now?
No, no.
Maybe you just
It's
cut
my
and rejoin.
network.
Hang up and
All
rejoin.
right.
As for me, I can see everything clear.
Lightning, you can see my screen.
Yes, sir. You can see the signals moving up and down.
Not showing.
Kevin, what about now?
Okay, showing now. It's showing now.
You can see, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Mm-hmm. So price, whenever you see a gap like this, whenever price, so you've now known when. Don't worry, guys. On your chart, I'll teach you how to set your chart. So this line that signifies when price open. You understand? This line that signifies where price open. I will show you on your
Yes.
chart on how to frame it. So whenever you see this gap, just frame from the low. Price must come back there. It's a must.
Okay.
It's a must. Price must come back there. So now I've just teach you one thing, right? So
Yes.
have it on. Whenever you see a gap like that, map the down one. Map the down one, the one that price left to go up. This is the down one that I marked.
Yes.
Map this down candle. Price must come back there. You understand?
Okay. Yes.
And Kevin, what I taught you about trend line, let me show you something now. To in order to catch this trend. Please mute. Disturbance. Mute, who is that? Mute your chat. So Kevin, what I taught you about trend line, if you map your trend line, you map your trend line. When you map your trend line, in order to catch this entry, so you can see it moves down. You can see it breaks the trend line. I told you whenever you see a break of trend line like this, you thank God, because now you frame you know where price want to come to, because it has break the trend line. This is where price want to come to, this line. So how can you frame your entry now in order to enter for the trade? So how can you frame your entry now in order to enter for a trade? Number one, place your fib, your Fibonacci. Fibonacci, I told you, is a retracement tool. Is a retracement tool. You place your Fibonacci right from this time. It started right from this time. It started going up from this low. You see this low here. You place your Fibonacci. If you notice price did not come up, what are you going to do? Number two, you stay out. You stay out. Number three, what are you going to use? You have number one order block here, and you have number two order block here. So this is where you can enter. This is where you can enter for the trade. And your stop loss above the second order block. And where will be your take profit? Unmute and tell me your take profit now, Kevin.
The take profits
Where is your
should
take
be
profit?
on the low.
Which low? If you see a gap, where
Okay.
I told you, where I just told you just now that where are you going to expect it to come to after you frame? If you see the gap,
Like if you come down.
yes, this will be your take profit. So you can see now.
Yes.
You can
That's
see.
the other block.
Yes. Or fair value gap, just as I taught you.
Yes.
So with something like this, you can be done for the day. You can be done for the day with your profit. You can be done for the day. So you understand this now, right?
Yes.
This is how things are done. Okay, this is just number one setup, just to catch an immediate trend or immediate trade. So now let me teach you. If you want to let me see, if you want to catch overall trend, let me take out all these things. Let me come to the. I want to delete all my. I want to delete all all the tools I'm having now. So Lightning, please hope you are also taking note, because at least when you've come to this stage, it won't be that much difficult because you've getting a little insight. definitely I'm going back to start from you in order to get the knowledge and be updated to this stage. I don't know if you understand me.
Yes, I understand you. For now,
Yeah.
it's a bit complicated for me
Huh?
because I don't. I said for now, it's a bit complicated for me because I don't know how
Yes,
to
yes,
trade.
yes, yes.
But
Because there are things
just
which you haven't, which I haven't taught you. That is why it's kind of confusing and complicated for you. But you are going to catch up. I don't know if you understand. Kevin
yes,
already understand this because I've been taking him for long. You understand?
okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So let's, Kevin, if you remember when I started teaching you, I didn't just jump to the chat. I wanted you to understand the basics. I don't
Yes.
know if you feel me. I wanted
Yes,
you
I
to
get.
understand the basics. Because I wish I jumped to the chat like this, which most people, that is what most people want. You'll be confused and you just say, ah, this is not for me. I don't know if you understand me. But when you start with the basics by defining some kind of things, the foundation and the basics of Forex, it will be sweet for you. Yeah, I don't know if you feel me. So now, if you want to, if you open your chat now, Kevin, I've taught you this before. Sorry, I dey finish you with questions. I've been waiting. I don't teach you before. So what are you going to do now? You want to analyze the chart. Where will you start from? Hello, hello, Kevin, can you hear me? Hello, Lightning, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. It seems
Kevin, can you hear me?
Yes,
Kevin.
I can hear you.
Aha. So Kevin, I'm asking you a question. If you want to, I've taught you all this thing before. If you want to analyze the market now, what is the first thing for you to do? Like you open your chart, you want to analyze the market to know your next draw on liquidity, to know where price is going next. What are you going to do? What is the
You
next
draw
thing?
your
What is the
trend.
first thing?
You draw a trend
From
line.
where?
Okay, for this very charts.
No, not this very.
Okay, you use your 1 hour time frame to check for the direction of the charts. That's the overall direction of the chart. Hello. Hello.
Boss. Oh, it seems the network is
Huh?
poor at our bosses. I said it seems the network is poor at where our bosses. Unless you wait for a
Yeah,
while.
I think so.
Oh, okay. But with you, it's like you're a bit experienced more than I am.
Huh?
I said with you, it's like you were experienced more than I am because you know what is going on and stuff. But as for me, I'm just observing.
Sorry guys about that. So Kevin, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me, Kevin? I like me. What about you? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Kevin, is it 3G you are using me? Kevin, is it 3G you are using?
Sir, hope you can see me now.
I can see you. Lightning, right?
Yes, yes, sir. I'm at work now, but
Okay. Okay.
observing it.
Okay, I'll try to do and round up things very fast.
Okay.
I'm waiting for this guy, Kevin.
Oh, his network is a bit poor at the moment, so unless you wait for him a while.
I don't know if he's using 3G network, eh?
Ghana's network 4G straight. We are not joking here. Unlike Tinubu, our
So how is
president
that
is
side now? How is Ghana? How is everywhere?
uh, he
How
said
is Ghana? How is everywhere?
oh, Ghana, we are doing fine. Everywhere is facing inflation, but I think ours is a bit cool compared to Nigeria, Sodom and Gomorrah state.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, let me just. I think it's. I
Heaven
think
is
I
cool
can
now.
see my face also. Can you see me? You can see me.
Yes.
Kevin.
Boss.
Kevin, shey na 2G network you dey use?
Now Wi-Fi I used before.
Omo na wow.
Not cause very bad.
Okay, so if you continue now.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now. So if the first thing you are to do when you come to the chart, what is the first thing, Kevin?
You check for the direction of the chart, the overall direction, using your 1 hour time frame.
Kevin, when I teach you this one, I told you that you start from the higher time frame.
Yeah, yes.
You start from the higher time frame. So we'll start from the monthly in order to know what the overall trend is doing. You get my point?
Yes.
Lightning, please. Our apologies. I'll teach you how all these things work. Yeah.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
On US dollar now, you want to make use of this high. How to analyze the market now? You want to make use of that high and this low and this low, which is now your support and resistance. This high
We,
is your what?
we cannot see the chart.
Yes, sir,
Eh?
we
You
can't
cannot
see the
see.
chart.
No.
Yes, sir.
Oh, like everybody.
Yes, sir.
Wow. Sorry. Then I guess I have to like. Okay, can you see now?
No,
Can you see
sir.
now?
No, sir.
Not
Maybe
showing.
loading because
Wow.
what is messy for us trader.
Okay, sorry. What about now?
Yes, we can see it now.
You can see the charge, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
A bit clear now.
Now they get 4%. So because this is the whole higher time frame, Kevin, where is your these two line that I marked now? Which one is your resistance and which one is your support?
The resistance. Resistance is the top one, and
Nice,
the
nice,
support is
nice,
the yeah.
nice, nice, nice. So the next thing, you now come to 1 week time frame because you've now gotten your support and resistance. Note you in the monthly time frame, whenever you map your support and resistance, price must come and touch them. Price must come and touch them. You get my point? Price must
Yes.
come and touch them, then come back down to touch it. It must touch. You understand?
Yes.
It must touch until it breaks one of this zone. You understand now?
Okay.
So in order to catch a trend, you come down to your weekly. What are you now going to do next? Kevin no dey talk.
Yeah.
Wetin you go do next?
I think you check if it's in an uptrend or downtrend.
Already, without doing anything, you already know this is an uptrend now. Abi?
Yes. Then you draw your this thing,
Trend
your
line,
trend line.
correct. Yeah. Nice, 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 nice. You draw a trend line. So the next thing to do here is to place your fib from where it touches the trend line. Oh God. From where it touches the trend line, from where it touches the trend line to the high. So you can see now what is it has given us the retracement already, right?
Okay. Yes. Is it still
Now
in
what,
the one week time frame?
yes, I'm still in 1 week time frame.
Okay.
These are for the bigger boys, because if it's the bigger boys now what would they want to do? They want to buy here, and their TP will be at this resistance. You understand?
Yes.
But this one requires a lot of capital. You understand? So number three, you want to come to the daily time frame. You want to come to the daily time frame. You want to come to the daily time frame, and right here, draw another trend. And right here, you want to draw another trend. Can you see?
Okay. Yes.
So right now we've drawn another trend. We'll now come to the 4 hours. You can see it has touched the trend line. So whenever it touches the trend line, I believe I've taught you about catching trend when it fails to break, right?
Yes.
So what are you going to now do now? You will enter for a long when it touches the trend line. Kevin, where will be your TP?
Take profits will be at the resistance.
Fair value gap.
Yeah, the fair value gap. Yes.
Remember.
Yes.
Mhm. So now that we have missed this trade, what are we going to now do? We are going to catch what we call fib level. We'll come down to the 1 hour. We'll come down to the 1 hour. We've already missed this trade, so let's take out this our risk to reward. Let's take it out because we've mixed the
Yes.
trade. We were not in the trade. So what are we going to do now in order to catch the move?
Then we use
What you are going to do?
our feed
Who is our what? Oh God, Omo, you
feed
go better for you. Washari Jai. You go better for you. From the low to the what?
to the high.
Great. Kevin Madon, the Tom Pro. That's my joy, I swear. So when are you going to enter for this trade now?
Um.
Gang, 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 gang.
He choke, he choke, he choke.
This is where you are going to enter for the trade. You wait for it to come back to that fib level, that 50.0.5
Yes.
level that I told you.
0.5 level.
Then where will be your TP? That your TP will be at that what's it called?
Other block.
Fair value gap or other block. All are still the same. You can see your TP. So like this now, I'm done. My is just to wait. My
Okay.
own is just to wait for price to what? Come back
To get
down
to that
here.
level. Yes.
Yes. To come to this level, one of these, either the 60 point this thing or the 50, in order for me to enter for a
Okay.
buy. You understand? And
Hmm.
again, if I want to, let me say, for those people that are not patient, if you want to enter the little short that it will do, what are you going to do? I don't teach my strategy, oh God. But you see, normal, you paid for it, so you deserve it.
Hmm.
What are you going to do? And the problem is that
For,
I'm going to post this video.
for which one?
The problem is that I'm going to post this video.
Oh, okay. They post down.
Eh?
I think you post it.
I'll post it now. I
Hmm.
don't get choice. So now, the if you want to catch this trend now, what are you going to do in order to? Because definitely price will come to this 50 point something level. What are you going to do, Kevin?
You draw
Uh,
um
your your trend line
mm,
and wait for it to what? And wait for it to do what?
to retrace, Abi.
To break the trend line
Yes.
before you enter.
Mm.
So now, if I want to enter for this trade, I want to see price break this trend line. Then, upon a little retest, I'll enter for a sell down to this 50.0.5 level. Cool?
Mm.
Then remember, we'll have a buy that we want to buy there. If you remember.
Yes. Yes.
Hello? Yeah, Faith, fine. I did class now. Make I call you back when I finish. Yeah, take care. Yeah, you can hear me, Abby?
Yes.
Aha. So remember that buy we have there. Oh.
Yes.
So now what you want to do? You want to wait for price to take out that trend line to break it. Then upon the retest, you are going to enter for a sell down to this zone. But your stop loss won't be this big.
Okay.
I'm coming. I want to adjust the stop loss. Your stop loss will be right here. Here. You feel me?
Yes.
So these are the two things I want to be waiting for. Nothing else. Nothing else.
Okay.
Nothing
Okay.
else. You
Okay.
get it already.
Yeah.
And if you know this price is currently
Okay.
coming down. So if I see this, I will be taking the trade.
Please, what time frame is it now?
This is a 15 minute.
Okay, 15 minutes.
Yes. So you understand now.
Yeah.
So I'll be watching this trade to see how far. Oh, I'll be posting this video. Lightning, are you still here?
Mm.
Great. So Kevin,
Boss.
that is it. Oh.
Okay.
Me and you get talk. Oh. But I'm go do am privately. So guys, wherever you are watching this video from, YouTube, TikTok, wherever you are watching this video from, get to subscribe. Get to, because I'm posting it, get to subscribe not to miss out for content like this. You can see how we do it live, how we do it real. We don't just talk, we have the knowledge is there. We can trade. We are not just a culture. You get my point? We can trade. So subscribe, follow us on all social media, all major social medias. We are there. TikTok, we are there. Telegram, we are there. YouTube, we are there. Twitter X, we are there. Facebook, we are there. So, and the private mentorship is ongoing. You can see I decided to take one of my students today, Kevin, on a free lesson with. I decided to take the free what's it called? I decided to take it publicly for you guys to see how I teach them privately. So that is it. Go follow up with anything you know you can follow up about Messi FX Trader, and go register to the private mentorship if you really want to catch up very fast. Thank you so much. This will come to the end of this video. All right.